Hi, welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here you go. I mean, here I come in 3, look, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Holy shit. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Look. The multiverse. Great show, the daggone multiverse. We have a great one for you today. All right, everybody. So, hope everyone had a great weekend. A little slow news day today. A little slow. Everyone packed it in last week real good. A little slow today. So, well, let's just get to it. Well, still good though, but just slower. All right. So, start number 1. Australian bank to offer 10 cryptos. Bang! Here come the banksters. Like I told you would happen. Well, what we need. And then CME, that's the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, is going to offer micro Ethereum futures. But we're going to read about that. And then just a fun story because, well, there was nothing else to talk about. So Burger King. So here in America, we got a place called Burger King. It competes with McDonald's in terms of burger sales. Well, they're going to offer free crypto. What? Yeah, let's check it out. And then we have the shout-outs and daily summary as per usual. So let's proceed how we proceed with a bang. Yes. So I hope everyone had a great weekend. And we head on over here with a bang. And then we do a little refresh. Look, price of Bitcoin, $62,920. All right. And when I left you the other day, we were at $61,940. So we've gone up. What's this? 800, wait. $973. All right, let's get, top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. Hold on, let me dag on. Oh, dag on. All right, top 10 of the day. 1 second. Let's open these cigarettes. I thought I already opened them. All right. Top 10 of the day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, Solana, Cardano, XRP, Polkadot, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin still battling for the number 9 and 10. All right, let's look at market moves of the day. Looks like single digits up to single digits down. Oh, look at Solana, 12% up. Bye. All right, single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Wait, what's going on? Sorry, guys. Wait. Oh, there we go. Single this up, single this down. Single this up, single this down. Yes, look at Crypto.com coin. Yeah, especially after those Tom Brady commercials. Daggone right, it should be flying. Flying, it should be. All right, single this up, single this down. Single this up, single this down. 2, single this up, single this down. All right, let's see who lost money today. If you see anything here, like, go get it because, bang, it's on sale. Bang. Top 10 losers of the day. Top 10 losers: Decentraland, Chili, Zcash, Qtum, Shiba Inu, Anchor, Basic Attention Token, OMG Network, Hollow, and Helium. Let's see who made money today. Bang. All right, some all right gains. All right, top 10 gainers: Loopring, Arweave, Maker, Crypto.com coin, Solana, The Sandbox, Amp, Revain, Secret, and Avalanche. All right, let's look at the total market cap. Yes. Slowly rising, slowly rising. We're almost at 3 trillion. I mean, remember at the beginning of the year, Q1 is when we first hit 2 trillion. So in less than 10 months, or I should say maybe about 10 months, we've almost added another trillion to this. In other words, you can see the money's flowing in now, right? We've almost added another trillion to the market cap. All right, so total market cap is $2.733 trillion. When I left you last time, we were at $2.648 trillion. So we've gone up $0.085 trillion. All right, let's look at the 24-hour volume. All right, 24-hour volume is $132.7 billion. When I left you the other day, we were at $138.0 billion. So we've gone down. About $5 billion. $5.3 billion. All right, let's check out the stories. Buying Commonwealth Bank to enable crypto trading for 6.5 million Aussies. Other banks will follow. So, here we go. This is what I've been talking about. When you could start doing stuff through your bank, through your insured bank. Let's read the byline right there. The CB said that it will support 10 crypto assets in its banking app, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Great. I'd like to hear what the other 6 are. But, all right. Amazing. Like I said, that's how it's going to be. You're just going to have your crypto with your bank, and you want to stake or do whatever. You're just going to press a couple buttons on an app and do that. You're not going to have to cut and paste and add this wallet to this thing and connect this to that and all that kind of stuff anymore. You know, it's like, like when the internet first came out, right? You had to type the IP address of the website you wanted to go to. Yeah, now you just type in AlJazeera.com, CNN.com, right? Bloomberg.com. You don't even need to know the IP address, right? Everything in the beginning days of a technology, a new tech boom, right? Everything's primitive compared to what it is later, right? That's how everything works in the world. And so, we've been dealing with all these little unregulated exchanges and wallets and blah, blah, blah to do our stuff. Yeah, soccer mom and dad, they're not going to put up with the shit we put up with. I've said it here before. We put up with a lot of crap. Yeah, they're not going to do all this stuff we do. And so you just got to have it nice one app, button press, beep, 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 beep. All right, I'm staked. Beep, 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 beep. All right, I've traded. Beep, 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 beep. All right, now I've cashed out. You know what I mean? Just all in one, doing all these things you can do with crypto all through one interface. One interface. One app, right? That's the future. All right, so let me get a sip and we shall proceed. So, the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, CBA, is set to launch crypto trading services for the 6.5 million users of its Comback app. But the CBA will become the first bank in Australia to support cryptos. And Blockchain Australia says it is inevitable that other Big Four banks, including National Australian Bank, NAB, Australian New Zealand Banking Group, ANZ, and Westpac will soon follow suit. Of course they will. Every bank in the world is going to do this. So according to a November 3rd announcement, the CBA has partnered with the Gemini Crypto Exchange and blockchain analysis firm Chainalysis to launch its crypto services. The bank will launch a pilot for a limited number of customers in the coming weeks before rolling out the full service in 2022. So 10 crypto assets will be supported in its banking app, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin named at this stage. I want to know what are the other 4 going to be. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, we'll hear about it. Steve Vallas, CEO of Blockchain Australia, told Cointelegraph that this move was extraordinarily important, as the big 4 banks in Australia underpin our national and international reputation as a financial services destination. Of course, the Germans are coming. The Americans are coming. You got to get in. You got to get in now. All right. Well, and in your country, I mean, so if you're a national bank, well, you want to be the first to offer these services in your country, right? Your buddies are talking to buddies from America. I mean, sorry. Your citizens are talking to people from America. Or forget America. Your citizens are talking to the Germans. And their German buddies are telling them, what are you talking about, dog? I got crypto right on my bank account. So you ask your bank, yo, dog, we going to get crypto in our banks? Yeah, so they got to provide that service. Got to provide the service. So the confidence that this provides local digital asset sector participants will be dwarfed by the impact that this signal sends around the world, that Australia should be a destination for cryptocurrency and digital asset adoption. Vallas believes the rapid growth and adoption of crypto has shifted the risk of maintaining a wait-and-see approach in the view of the big banks to a risk of inaction and being left behind. You see, so what they're saying right there is the banks were saying, well, we have to wait and see. We have to wait and see what the regulations are going to be. Yeah, well, now they're past that. Now they're at the level of, if we do not do anything in action, we'll be left behind. You see, that's the beauty. I mean, that's what I've been telling you about crypto is, you know, like the .com bubble. Like, once things gain a momentum, well, you have to do it, right? Whereas once, a couple years ago, JP Morgan was saying that Bitcoin is a Ponzi scheme. Yeah, well, they offer Bitcoin funds now, don't they? Right? Events take over. You know, events take over. Yeah. So, all right. It is inevitable that the other banks will follow suit. Clarity in the local regulatory landscape is emerging, with issues such as licensing being tackled head-on by industry and by governments. That impediments to action and participation are being removed. Right, now you're getting regulation. So now the banksters are allowed in, right? In Australia anyway. And so Carolyn Bowler, the CEO of local crypto exchange BTC Markets, echoed similar sentiments to Vallas, noting that with regulation in the offering and the largest bank in the country allowing it, the floodgates are now open for more appetite. Yes, for more appetite from traditional finance. Yes. So CBA's move is inevitable. Is exciting and inevitable. It's yet another red letter day for crypto, and it is as though Australia has suddenly put the lead foot down. We have been touted as playing catch up all this while, but now we're moving into a leadership position globally with our largest bank. Bang! So this is Australia's largest bank. Ah, you see, that's how it's going now. Banksters are going to start coming. Offering services to the citizenry of their countries, right? To their country's population. Dave Abner, the global head of business development at Gemini, said that his firm was proud to be working with CBA launch world-leading crypto services. The exponential growth of digital assets internationally, coupled with Gemini's institutional-grade security and proactive regulatory approach, positions this partnership to set a new standard for banks and financial platforms in Australia and across the globe. Yeah, that's another thing. Gemini, right? Those Winklevoss kids. Remember, guys, like, if you've been here on this channel, you guys know, but if you're new to this channel, we've been watching the Winklevoss kids with their Gemini thing right here. And those kids have gone after regulatory license after license after license. Yeah, they've licensed themselves up the ass. Like they are fully compliant. Yeah, they saw the future. They didn't come here wanting to, overthrow the dollar and overthrow the banking system and shit. Nah. They came here and said, we're going to make some straight cash out this place. Let's get ourselves regulated and licensed so we can start offering these services. And so look at this. They're being used by Australia's biggest bank now. Right? That's what happens when you behave yourself. You're not a fucking miscreant. Binance, BitMEX, Bitstamp, BitHum. And now you can be used by a real bank because you're licensed, regulated, and ready to rock. You're locked, cocked, and ready to rock. You know what I'm saying? We're going to disrupt the system. You ain't disrupting anything. You're going to be left out if you don't comply, fuckstick. So look, not everyone was pleased with CBA's partnership, however. With Adrian Prozolny, Prolozny, the CEO of Australian crypto exchange Independent Reserve, expressing his dismay over the bank partnering with an overseas firm. Yeah, well, but they're regulated. That's why they want to partner with them. Get regulated, and they would have partnered with you, you fucking idiot. Stop crying, Adrian Prolozny. So it's disappointing. And this is what this fuckstick says. He says, it's disappointing that CBA went with an overseas player and didn't engage with local players at all. We'll be reaching out to the other Australian banks now, Prolozny said. Wow, if you're regulated, they would have fucked with you. You're unregulated. So you're just a diseased whore. No one's fucking with that. Look, Cointelegraph reported on October 15th that Alan Finn, Canberra-based Bitcoin trade... What? A Canberra-based Bitcoin trade settled his first complaint at the Act Civil and Administrative Tribunal against ANZ for debanking him in 2018 and 2019 due to his occupation as a digital currency exchange. Whatever. While ANZ denied any liability, the bank offered him a chance to reapply for a bank account, suggesting that the bank is more open to crypto than it was 2 to 3 years ago. Oh, so that's what happened. Okay, I see what they're saying. So back in the days, this guy, he had an exchange. The bank dissed him, but now they're saying, our bad, dog. You can come back and get an account. Our bad, man. You can come back and get an account now. So now that the bank is more open to crypto, all right, now they're like saying, sorry, dog. We're over to crypto now, though, than we were 2 or 3 years ago. Flynn also has a similar case against Westpac ongoing. Commenting on today's news, Flynn told Cointelegraph that the crypto landscape in Australia is rapidly changing. There's a lot of things suddenly happening in the Australian Bitcoin space. You have the Senate inquiry, ANZ's acknowledgement of a legit human rights question to be answered in my complaint, Austrac's extraordinary statement on debanking last Friday, and now CBA's digital currency plans being unveiled. I'm just here arguing my lawful human rights. Oh, this guy who got dissed by his bank. All right, well, fuck that. Look, bye! Here comes Commonwealth Bank, the biggest bank in Australia, and they're using the American firm Gemini, the Winklevoss kids thing, to, I guess, probably handle the custody and stuff. They didn't really say, did they say what it's going to do? Nah, it just said that they partnered with Gemini and that they're going to use chain analysis. So they didn't say what for. Well, obviously, you know what chain analysis is used for, but are they going to use Gemini for the custody? For what? Anyways, for the trading platform part, what? But anyways, this is amazing. This I told you, this is the future. This is the future. You're going to have your crypto at your bank. We're not going to need to do all this crap. And I'm not talking the future like 10 years from now. I mean, by next year in America, you're going to have your crypto in your bank. Well, at least your large cap stuff. We'll see. I told you, like, people are going to start looking for banks that service the crypto that they own. Right? If a bank ever says, look, we'll hold your VeChain for you. Bang. Well, that's the bank I'm going to choose. You know what I mean? Look, we're going to hold your singularity net for you. Bang. I might have multiple accounts at multiple banks because they'll be insured. Insured. I won't be worried about that, right? And this is the future. This is what I've been talking about for the past fucking almost 4 years. 3 years and 10 months now I've been talking about this stuff, telling you what's going to go down. And so here are the Aussies. The Germans are already in play. The Americans are going to come. And like you said, like they said, it's past the days of, is this, are we going to get into this? Is this thing legitimate or whatever? Now the big banks, they don't want to risk being left behind. Right, that's it. That's it. You don't want to be left behind anymore. Crypto's here and it's real. And, if you banks don't want to offer it, well, your citizens are already owning Bitcoin. I own Bitcoin. I own Ethereum. I own a bunch of stuff, right? I already own it. Now, do you want my money? I would love to give my bank my money if they would custody my crypto for me. I would love to pay those fees. Absolutely. Absolutely. I will pay those fees because it's peace of mind, safety. If anything happens to my crypto, my bank account, well, I'm going to get my money back. Done. I'm going to call a 1-800 number. 5 minutes later, my account is going to be credited. Whatever money is gone or whatever happens, whatever happens. And so that's what they mean. You don't want to be left behind. I mean, let's look at America, for instance. Basically Coinbase is sort of like a crypto bank. Unless you put your money on ledgers, not on ledgers, it's on the blockchain, but you know what I'm saying. It just sits on Coinbase pretty much. And so these banksters are saying, well, why let Coinbase have? So this is for America now. Well, probably your country too, if Coinbase is there. The banksters in your country are saying, why let this fucking thing Coinbase make all this money from fees and transactions? We can do it. And since we're so much bigger than Coinbase, but we can make it cheap. You know what I mean? To buy a Bitcoin on Coinbase, when I bought my Bitcoins, I think they cost me like, the first two that I bought cost like about $60 in fees, just the fee to buy it. Right? So I bought them at $3,000. So it was like $3,060. And then the other half of Bitcoin I bought when it was at $15,000. I think the fees then were like $80. Well, for that one transaction I did. Yeah, well, a bank is going to charge you $10, $5. So they're going to be able to beat Coinbase in terms of price. Right, and suck all that soccer mom and dad money. Not only that, but soccer mom and dad know, well, my shit's insured. Let's get real about it. And so, what is that going to be for Coinbase? Well, not good, obviously. Not good. They're going to have to readjust their fee structures, aren't they? Drastically. But this is great for us. This is great for the crypto world in general. And this is the future. Your crypto will be in your bank. You'll be able to do everything off of one app. What do you want to do? You want to stake? You'll just press a button and say stake. Boop. All your coin will pop up. It'll ask you, press your coin. I don't know, Cardano. Bang. Boop. And then a list of places to stake Cardano will pop up and it'll say, where do you want to stake it? You'll just press one button. Boop. I don't know, Sushi Swap. Bang. If you're allowed. I don't know if you're allowed, but whatever. You'll just press the button, Sushi Swap. Boop. Yeah, and your bank will post it right there and they'll stake it for you and you'll just get your money from it. That easy. That's the new world we are moving to. That we want. Nice and easy. Soccer mom and dad don't have to fucking cut and paste and KYC and just all sorts of miscreant behavior. It'll be nice and easy. All right. Bye. All right, let's move on. Bang, CME introduces micro Ethereum futures as Ethereum nears its all-time high above 4,000 bucks, whatever. All right. So, the CME is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange here in America. And they already have Bitcoin futures. I thought they already had Ethereum futures. I don't know, but this is a micro futures one. So I'm assuming this is cheaper so that soccer mom and dad can spend less money but be in the game, right? In other words, they're sort of, I always talk about, come on, guys, accumulate, so you're not priced out of anything. Well, I think the CME is pricing soccer mom and dad in. They're pricing them into it. All right, let's just sell it cheaper. Let's sell them a cheaper version of our futures contract so they can get in. I don't know. I haven't read this yet, but I'm pretty sure that's what they're doing. We'll read it in a second. Hold on. Let me get a sip. Right? They want to appeal to the the lowest common denominator. Sure. Rich people can afford your futures contracts. Oh, well, we want to get the McDonald's worker buying this thing too. So we'll make it cheaper. I don't know. That's what I'm assuming, but let's see when we read on. Well, I'm not assuming. I mean, micro Ether futures are going to be cheaper. So I guess I'm not assuming. I'm really just pointing out the obvious. All right. Thanks, Captain Obvious. All right. Let's move on. All right. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the CME, one of the world's biggest derivative marketplaces. So the CME handles the derivatives markets in America. All right, you get it? So, right, the CME handles our derivatives market. CFTC handles the commodities market, and SEC handles stock market. And then obviously the Federal Reserve handles bond market, right? So that's how those four categories are broken down here in America. And it's the same in your country too. If you're listening to me in an English-speaking country, which I'm sure you probably are. So look, so the CME, one of the world's biggest derivatives marketplaces, continues expanding its cryptocurrency derivatives offering by adding a new Ethereum-based product. CME announced Tuesday that it is planning to launch a micro Ether futures contract sized at 0.1 Ethereums, enabling a new type of Ether exposure to institutional and individual traders. This is about individual traders because institutions can afford the other ones. Anyways, the new product will become the fourth crypto derivatives product ever launched by CME and is expected to be rolled out on December 6th, 2021, pending regulatory approval, which they will get. The news comes amid Ether sitting near all-time high levels after the cryptocurrency posted its highest historical price on Friday, reaching $4,460. At the time of writing, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap is trading at $4,438, according to data from cryptocurrency tracking website CoinGecko. All right, so Tim McCourt, CME Group Global Head of Alternative Investment Products, noted that the launch of micro Ethereum futures aims to bring more investors to the market by enabling smaller investments. Exactly. By allowing fucking, a McDonald's worker to buy it if they want. Since the launch of Ethereum, what I'm trying to say is just, lower income people to get in, right? Since the launch of Ethereum futures in February, we've seen steady growth in liquidity in these contracts, especially among institutional traders, McCourt noted, adding that Ethereum price has more than doubled since these contracts were introduced. Micro Ether futures will offer even more choice and precision in how they trade Ether futures in a transparent, regulated, remember I told you about regulated when I say the word regulated, that means the big boys can come get it, and efficient manner at CME Group. So Micro Ether Futures will join CME Group's growing offering of crypto derivatives, including Micro Bitcoin Futures, which started trading in May 2021, with each contract worth 1.1 Bitcoin. The company has traded over 2.7 million contracts so far. The original and the first Bitcoin futures contract CME launched in December 20. All right, so look, bang! So there we go. So now they're going to offer futures contracts, but at a cheaper price. And that allows, like I said, soccer mom and dad to get in. They see this stuff on their E-Trade accounts, their Charles Schwab trading accounts, and they can get in. Now, let's get real. Soccer mamas and dads, most of them don't know what a futures contract is. And so don't expect any big hoopla from this. But there are guys like me, like I said, guys, I always say this, market players, but we live at home, like we just trade from home. And there are a lot of futures traders in America here, guys who just do it from their home, and they will get into this Ethereum futures contract stuff because it's cheap enough, right? And, that'll be good for the market. And so, great stuff. All right, and then finally, bang! This is how slow a news day it was. I'm talking about fucking Burger King. It's almost embarrassing, but whatever, man. Look, Burger King serves up free crypto with meal purchases. Well, and for American people, I mean, look, go get yourself a Whopper, get yourself some crypto, daggone. So for the next 3 weeks, so we're reading the byline now. That's down here. For the next 3 weeks, Bitcoin customers can enjoy a side of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doji with their Whopper, thanks to a partnership with Robinhood. And so, I mean, you're a little worker bee. You're going out for lunch. Well, I haven't read this yet, so let's just check it out. I literally just found this just before I started the show, so let's check it out. Well, hold on. Let me get a sip, daggone. Let me wet the whistle first, and then we'll continue. But yeah, here in America, man, you want some free crypto? Looks like Burger King is going to give it out. That's pretty wild stuff. Is it Robinhood? Everyone is begging Robinhood to list Shiba Coin, Shiba Inu. All right, let's check it out. Fast food chain Burger King has partnered with Robinhood to give away free cryptocurrency to its customers, offering a compelling sign that appetites for digital assets are growing. So, all right, so here it is, guys. So from November 1st through November 21st, so right now it's November 3rd, 2:51 a.m. Eastern time here in America. All right, so there's a few more days left, a lot more days left on this. Burger King customers in the United States who spend $5 or more will be given free crypto. Bang! Fucking there's a Burger King right down the street from here. Primarily in the form of Dogecoin, the company announced Monday. A few lucky customers will have the opportunity to win a whole Bitcoin or Ethereum. Users must register with Robinhood Crypto to receive the reward. Oh, it's like a lottery? All right, so let's see what it is. So, to receive the reward, users must make their purchase on the BK app, website, or in-store using a code at participating locations. The crypto rewards will be drawn from a total prize pool of 2 million Doji, 20 Bitcoin, and 200 Ethereum. Customers can only claim one prize per day. From a business perspective, cryptocurrencies are becoming too big to ignore, with several corporations experimenting with digital assets and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. The fast food sector has been especially receptive, with the likes of Burger King, McDonald's, Pizza Hut, and Taco Bell launching their own NFT collections. Look, fuck NFTs. How do you get this money? Assets such as Dogecoin have also been instrumental in onboarding new users to the cryptocurrency market. The meme coin experienced a parabolic surge in the first 5 months of the year and created thousands of new millionaires in the process. Fuck. The meme coin hype has since migrated to Shiba Inu, which recently fetched a new... All right, look. So what the fuck? To receive the reward, so let's this. You must do it on the app. So it's like a lottery thing. It's gonna be a lottery thing. All right, well, look, hamburger eaters in America, I suggest you get your hamburgers from Burger King and get yourself put into this thing to win yourself some free crypto. All right, let's move on to the shout-outs. Bang. What do we got here? A couple new followers. Faisal Pathan, love you for the sheep with the bang. Nitin Yadav, self-employed. Love you for the sheep with the bang. And here you are again. Top 10 crypto to buy in November. The best month to get rich in crypto. All right, brother. Love you for the sheep with the bang. All right. What do we got here? Crypto warrior. Crypto warrior. Crypto lover. Future bill. What? Future bill order. New coin. Best coin. All right, brother. Love is you with the bang. You know, the best coin in the world is going to save. It's going to save humanity. All right. Grudgeable. Love is you with the bang. All right, here we got Kong. Oh, and he's got Piggy Wiggy. What's Kong talking? All right. First of all, bang Kong. Wow. Love the sea with the bang. He's got Piggy Wiggy. CME News. Fuel up, fuck six, YouTube miscreants, and look. In 3, 2, 1. Bang. You tell him, Kong. Bang. Look. Bang. Boom. Look. Australian Bank to offer 10 cryptos. Boom. CME introduces Ethereum futures. Boom. Burger King is going to serve up some free crypto. Boom. And if you listen to this channel and you pay attention and you behave yourself, your portfolio is going to look like boom one day. Not long now. Bang. All right, Kong. Thank you, brother. Now was the first good crypto commercial. Look. Now that was the first good crypto. Oh, you're talking about the Matt Damon commercial? Yeah, so here's the Matt Damon. Actually, I should retweet that. Actually, I can retweet it right now. Hold on, let's do it right now. Dude, where is it? There you go. We'll do a little boop, retweet. So yeah, Kong, daggone, that was a cool commercial. Bang. I mean, and it's Matt Damon. I mean, he's got fans like a motherfucker, and so great for us, great for the multiverse. Look, Lorna Holland Downs. She said, look, I'm buying it all. What you know about that, fuck sticks? Lorna. Yeah, Laura, she just comes around terrorizing motherfuckers. Oh, yeah, well, I'm all in. I'm going to buy a 1-piece chicken. Oh, yeah, well, I'm buying a 10-piece chicken. Bang! That's how she does them. She abuses them. All right, enough. Lorna, love you, girl, see girl. Bang! Yes. It's our girl, Lorna. All right. Asfandyar Kanyazi. Live every type of life with pride, dignity, and respect. All right, brother. Love you with the bang. Centralized cryptocurrency, whatever. Securing blockchain for the good of humanity. All right. Love you with the bang. There's Lorna again. Buying more crypto. All right, here's everybody. Look, we got Andrew Pacheta. Look. What you trying to do, fuckstick? Mr. Pacheta, I'm trying to sell this crypto. Really? Settle down. Huddle. You're acting like a fucking long-tailed cat. in a daggone room full of rocking chairs. Settle down. Hodl. Bang. Tell him. Juice worth the squeeze, Andrew. Juice worth the squeeze. Bang. Live brother. KJ Gatsby. Love brother. See brother. Bang. Son of a bitch. Airdropper. Look at you. Look at you. Daggone. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Got you wrong, Kaz. I got so angry at you right there. I almost forgot what the hell I was doing here. Wrong, Kaz. Love brother. See you, brother. Node savior. Bang. Oh, there's Sunny B. So she must be done her mission. She must be done doing whatever she had to do because she's back here in the regular look. Sunny B, spy lady. Yeesh. I feel sorry for that fuckstick who crossed you. But look, I'm glad you're with us, girl. Love you, lady. See you, lady. The assassin. Bang. Right, you know. She's not in that sunglasses mode anymore. That means somewhere out there, a soul went to heaven. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. Deep entertainment. So, brother. Love and see you, brother. Bang. Technically bullish. Love and see you, brother. Bang. Robbie Hardaway. He's been with us so long, his pictures in black and white. Next time. Love and see you, brother. Bang. Bam. Connecting the dots. Love and see you, brother. Bang. Radster. I told you about that trap game, dog. That's some fucked up shit. But you know what's funny, though? Well, I'll tell you is, Bengals got caught in that trap game last week. Yeah, it means that they're going to come back this week and kick some ass. So, if I were you, I would tune into next week's game on Sunday. Love and see with the bye. Oh, who's this? Oh, a bot. Anyway, whatever. Bang. All right, let's get the fuck out of here. That's everybody. Oh, there's beautiful brawlies. The brawlers are beautiful. The owner of the company, not so much. Love you, see you, bang. But I only love you this much. Like I said, only this much. Brawlies. Well, let's get back to brawlies. So you only get this much love. It's still love. So I don't know. Everyone else gets this much, though. 007 of them, they get this much. You brawlies, you're only getting this much. Got up the love game, brawlies. Bang. Oh, get your love. Patty Carpenter. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. Edwin. Oh, we got the dog wars. Edwin, the official mascot of CME News. Well, and the original motherfucker who came here. Love you, zebra. The bang. But look, he's got his Shih Tzu dog, and look at this one. She's got her, I don't know what the fuck that is. Let's see what this is. Yeesh, that's a mangy mongrel right there. That's a mangy mongrel. But look, that's how it goes. And then we got Universal Misanthrope holding down the insurgency in Central Europe. Bang, CB News' original, official master of security. Oh, he's the security master. Oh, believe me. Now, you want to fuck around on the CB News compound when I buy it, once this thing happens. Oh, yeah. I'm going to have him roaming around. I'm going to have him roaming around the property with a thermal scope and an AR. Oh, yeah. And a Snickers bar. and a bottle of water. That's all he needs. And you'll be in trouble. So don't mess around, because Universal Misanthrope is going to get you. Love it, but the sea, bang. That's how it's going to be. All right, just give him a Snickers bar and a bottle of water. Have at it, Misanthrope. Yeah, I'll probably be there with you. All right, who's this miscreant? John Scott's Love with the Sea with the bang. And finally, we did that bot thing. All right, let's get back to the Death Star. Bye. Welcome back, everybody. All right, so we had a great show for you today. Yeah. Well, I'm not going to bullshit you. Well, it was a great show. They're all great, of course. The greatest of the multiverse, but just that Australian one, though. Bye. And let's start with that. Australian Bank to offer 10 cryptos. Bye. Fucking right. So I told you guys, that's how shit's going to go down. That's how this shit's going down. Whoa. Holy, that was weird. I'll tell you right now, by next year, your bank is going to offer you crypto custody and stuff like that. It's just a matter of which ones. I'm telling you right now, the first bank that offers VeChain custody, thank God, that's going to be my bank. I mean, I have a bank right now, but it just holds my fiat, so I'm fine with that. I just warehouse my money over there. But now I'm getting ready. See what I'm saying? I'm an American. I'm in America. And I'm getting ready to see which American banks offer the most robust custody services for crypto. See what I'm saying? I'll tell you, that VeChain one, I've told you guys this before. I'm going to make millions off of VeChain. But my other stuff, 100,000 here, 500,000 there, 800,000 there, like that. It's not going to make millions. So the first bank that offers me VeChain custody, look. You are my bank. And but let's get to Australia, though. The Australian bank is going to offer custody for 10 cryptos. And so they told us 4 of them, the usual suspects, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and what was the other one? Well, let's look at it again. Wow, I'm just going to look. Oh, Litecoin, yeah, of course. But they're going to offer more going forward, 6 more going forward, and then obviously the whole place eventually, right? And so this is amazing. This is the future. This is the future of banking. This is the future of our banking for crypto people like us. We'll be able to have our fucking shit on regulated, insured, institutional custody grade bank accounts, right? Crypto accounts, whatever you want to call them. I don't give a fuck what you call them. But our shit will be safe, secure, and sound, and insured. And so that's amazing. And I love what the Australian guy said, right? The Australian bankster, he just said, like, look, a couple years ago, we were wondering, is it legal to even mess with this stuff? Yeah, well, today we're just worried about not being left behind. And so that's the truth. 2 years ago, they were like, well, I don't know. It's a Ponzi scheme. I don't know. It's kind of weird. It's kind of strange. I don't know. Yeah, they're not doing that anymore. Now they're like, look, we got to get these services out before the next guy does, right? And which is smart, like I told you. First person to offer VeChain custody in a bank account. I'm going to open that account with them. So this is great for crypto. This is great for, and let's just get real about it now. This is the professionalization of this space, right? We're taking it out from the hood and we're bringing it to the country club. We're making this thing real now as a real segment of our society. Is that the way to say it? It's a real asset class. It's legitimate. These companies are real companies going forward. Chainlink, obviously they handle all the DeFi stuff. SingularityNet, got a talking, walking robot. Stellar, MoneyGram is going to use it worldwide. I mean, these are viable companies, and who doesn't want to invest in a viable company? I mean, yeah, I'm saying, especially in a new trending market like this, which is just beginning to start. I mean, remember this, they still don't even have enough blockchain programmers to program blockchains. I mean, it's quite amazing. I'll tell you the truth. A lot of these blockchain companies that are bullshit and that fail, yeah, well, those guys are going to go work for banks and stuff and make blockchains for banks and stuff. So they'll get recycled into the system and find work. And this is just great. This is the future of banking. Like I said, you're going to have one app. The app's going to say, what do you want to do? Stake. So you're going to press the button stake. Boop. It'll give you a list of the cryptos you have. All right, which one do you want to stake? Cardano. Boop. And then another list will show up of where your bank allows you to stake them. And you'll just press it. So, like I said, like Sushi Swap, right, or whatever. I don't even know if you can stake it Sushi Swap. That's probably not even true, but just whatever, man. Boop, you press the button. There it is. You're staked. And they'll just keep giving you your stake money however often you're supposed to get it. And so that's the future of banking. And, well, and other stuff, like if I want to send my buddy some crypto, like I'm not going to have to cut and paste his address and all that. I'll probably have his address already cut and pasted in, but it'll say something like just Edwin, and it'll just have a picture of his face, and I'll just go, boop, Edwin, boop, half a Bitcoin, boop, done. Right? Easy, ease of use. That's what you got to get, soccer mom and dad. Well, that's what you got to give them. They're not going to put up with the shit we put up with. I'm telling you that right now. You know what I mean? Thank God. This is so ghetto. This is so crazy. And so the banksters will streamline everything for us, make it secure, easy to use, and it's going to be great going forward. So, but, and then CME introduces Ethereum futures contracts, micro futures. And so, like I said, most soccer mom and dad, they don't know about futures contracts, but there are guys like me who do trade futures, like guys who just trade from home. And by bringing down the price of these futures contracts, well, obviously it makes it more attractive, right? It makes it easier to, how do I say this? If a guy doesn't want to risk blah, blah, blah thousands, I'm just going to make up a number, okay? These are numbers I'm making up. You don't want to risk 4,000 on Ethereum, but I'll risk a 2-piece chicken. All right, well, this will let you risk a 2-piece chicken instead of the 4. And so this brings the price down. The price point is way down. And this allows new investors without so much capital to have access to the market. And this is just great stuff. Well, and yeah, just great stuff, all right? All right, so buy Ethereum hodlers, buy. And then finally, Burger King served up free crypto. So it sounds like for the next 2 weeks or so, I don't know, it sounds like a draw. So it sounds like you're going to buy some stuff from Burger King and then you're going to win some crypto. And so, all right, great stuff. All right, that Burger King story, now that I've read it, it's whatever. Anyways, on that note, we'll get back, look, let's shill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Let's just end this thing. Subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Look. The multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang. Love talking crypto. Bang. This is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me in your home, and I'll see you tomorrow for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. Until then, subscribe there and press the bell. Bang. Watch that video there. Get your mind right. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Always watching on money. Bang. More importantly, I am always on duty. Bang. Yes. Over and out.